Today we're gonna go ahead and show you how to color match your client's hair. I feel like that is where we're getting a lot of questions from stylists. How do we color match? What's the best way to be able to pick out the right colors? So we're gonna give you just a couple tips just to kind of help you get started. So a rule of thumb is always you go ahead and do the darker colors through the back and then keeping more of your lighter colors through the front. So we have two bundles here. We have our London Fog color as well as our Lisa Louise. So showing her hair, it's always a little bit more darker through the back. So this is where you would always go ahead and do more of those darker colors to blend that. Since the sun really doesn't hit the back of the head, it's more from the front. So you want to follow her natural color pattern and then keeping it nice and bright pieces from the front. Go ahead and do the brighter tones by the face. Now all of our colors do come rooted, so they do have 3 colors in one, so it makes it really easy for you guys to be able to color match any of your clients, since it's not going to look strainy, it's not going to look noodly, it's going to be very blended. Since most of our hair we do have more multi-dimensional tones, so nice beautiful rooted blonde, having it a few of those low lights highlights by the sides, and then mixing in more of your depth color. And then the depth color, always try to keep that more through the back and then alternating with a few lighter sparkles wherever you see the highlights.